What's the dumbest thing you've ever heard? A girl in math class didn't understand fractions. This became clear when the teacher was explaining something else, and her confusion came up. It seemed simple enough, so the teacher tried to break it down further and discovered she didn't get fractions at all. That was surprising, but with a quick explanation, she should have caught on. Nope. The teacher asked, which is larger, a half or a third? The girl confidently replied, 3 is more than 2, so a third is larger. The teacher drew 2 circles on the board, divided one into halves and the other into thirds, and asked, which is bigger? The girl gave the same answer. The teacher erased the circles, grabbed 2 sheets of paper, ripped one in half and the other into thirds, and held up a piece of each. Which one is larger? The girl pointed to the third again. Forgetting there were more pieces, the teacher binned the extra scraps and held up the same 2 pieces of paper. Just look at the size. Which one is larger? The girl still pointed to the smaller piece. The teacher, clearly defeated, lowered his arms and walked back to his desk. Please don't take offense, but are you familiar with the words smaller and larger? He asked, as the lesson slowly turned into something straight out of Sesame Street. The girl said she was. The teacher pointed outside. See those trees? Which is larger, the right one or the left one? She correctly said the left tree, which was about 5 meters taller. The teacher then held up the 2 pieces of paper again and asked, which one is larger? The girl pointed to the smaller piece again, and the teacher walked out of the classroom.